Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that is vital for the success of any business: customer satisfaction and customer expectations. Now, customer satisfaction is essentially the measure of how happy and content a customer is with a product or service. It's crucial for companies to prioritize customer satisfaction because happy customers are more likely to become repeat customers and even recommend the business to their friends and family. So, how do businesses go about ensuring customer satisfaction? Well, one way is by meeting and even exceeding customer expectations. Customer expectations are the set of assumptions and desires that customers have when they interact with a business. These expectations can be shaped by a variety of factors such as previous experiences, advertising, and even word of mouth. To meet customer expectations, businesses need to understand what those expectations are. This can be done through market research, surveys, and even direct feedback from customers. By knowing what their customers want, businesses can tailor their products, services, and overall customer experience to meet and exceed those expectations. Another important aspect of customer satisfaction is managing and resolving customer complaints. Let's face it, no business is perfect, and mistakes can happen. However, how a business addresses and resolves those mistakes can make all the difference. By promptly and empathetically addressing customer complaints, businesses can not only rectify the issue at hand, but also show their customers that they value their feedback and are committed to providing excellent service. In today's competitive market, customer satisfaction is more important than ever. With so many options available to customers, businesses need to go above and beyond to ensure they are meeting and exceeding customer expectations. By doing so, they can build a loyal customer base, increase customer retention, and ultimately drive their business to success. So, remember, customer satisfaction is not just a buzzword. It's a fundamental aspect of running a successful business. By understanding and meeting customer expectations and promptly addressing any issues that may arise, businesses can create a positive and engaging customer experience that will keep customers coming back for more. Thank you for watching today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to share them down below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all our latest videos. Until next time, take care and have a wonderful day.